everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1979 Chevrolet Corvette. Great car, guys. I love the color combination. This is a factory code 19 black car with factory black interior. Very nice car, guys. We've got the original purchase agreement when this car was bought new in Tennessee. That's where I bought the car from. It's still on a Tennessee title, so it's been in Tennessee its whole life. The car's never been hit, broke, or anything like that. It's just a really nice car, guys. It's got the T-tops. You can see it's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the stock aluminum wheels. Pretty car. I don't mess with a lot of these cars. One of the things I didn't care for on these cars is that they're not real fast, guys. I own one. Believe me, it's kind of a running joke between me and my wife. I had a 78 25th anniversary car, and I sold it, and that became the wedding ring on her finger. So I always kind of tease her about that. But gonna be totally honest with you. See a little nick there in the paint. You know, these cars aren't real peppy. The stock motors in them just weren't, real fast, so they weren't a whole lot of fun to drive. What I like about this car, guys, it's got a GM 010 performance block in it with Pro Comp aluminum heads, a little mild cam to it, so it's got that pep. It's, but now when we open the hood, it's going to look bone stock. Driving down the road, drive stock, but it's got that pep that, in my opinion, these cars are missing. There's your original purchase agreement when the car was bought new. It was in Ashland City, Tennessee. And like I say, factory black on black car, T-tops. Really just a nice car. It's got 96,000 original miles on it. A lot of options on it. Rear defog, cruise, power windows, power locks, am-fm-cassette. Like I say, you can find some little blemishes, but very nice, guys. Nice and straight down the sides. Got good rubber on it. Beautiful set of the factory aluminum wheels on it. Just a good looking car. And again, look how nice these wheels are, which tells you the car's out of the South. So of course, if it was a Michigan car, those wheels would be pitted. Again, when you pop the hood, other than the finned aluminum valve covers on it, it really looks bone stock. Again, it's a GM 010 performance block in it. It's got a Bowtie aluminum intake. It's got Pro Comp aluminum heads, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes, air, HEI distributor. The previous owner said about 1,000 miles ago he just went through the front suspension, so that stuff's all brand new. Air works. And I drove it this morning. I took it out and drove it this morning, guys. It's a pleasure to drive. The car runs out and drives excellent. That's that little GM emblem at the bottom. That's something you see on the newer cars. It's kind of cool if we can put them on there. Again, just a nice car, guys. Sorry, I'm not used to the hood's the other way for me. Driving it down the road, the T-tops weren't rattling or anything like that. Car was nice and tight. Original door tags. Again, power windows, power locks, remote mirror. Seats are in great shape. Tilt-telescopic. $96,198 on the odometer. All the tack and gauges work, even the clock in there works. AM-FM cassette. Again, the air blows cold. It's got new dual, he replaced the dual exhaust, like I say, about 1,000 miles ago. That's all new front to back. Not much I can really show you here, other than it actually has the original spare and spare cover. So you can see the dash too, as you can see it's in good shape. It's a little bitty crack, just a little split there next to the speaker cover. Again, I don't try to pick them apart, guys, but you know, I want you to know what you're getting. It's a lot of these cars sight unseen, and none of them are perfect, guys. Get your air on, it blows cold. If I can do that, you're gonna have to do that, Jay. Sorry. Can't do that with one hand. Goes down nice. That's what you see, that it fits good. Tag works, even the door buzzer works. And all your gauges are working. Power rear antenna. Backup lights work. Radio works, blower motor works, guys. Roll your window up, Jay. It's got your tinted glass. Pretty sure those wipers are working. We'll check it. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Yeah, that car just hits me good, man. It sits good. It's got a great look to it. Of course, I love the factory black on black. Fun car, man, and a car you don't have to break the bank for. That's a nice thing about these cars, man. They're, you know, you can have some fun and not spend $1 million. Have a great day, guys.